The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra Geekbench scores leaked, as reported by 91 Mobiles. The benchmark results reveal the device's single-core and multi-core scores, along with some key specifications, including details about the processor, RAM, and the Android version. The model tested is listed as SM-S938U, which is expected to be the version for the US market. The Geekbench scores indicate a single-core result of 3,069 points and a multi-core score of 9,080 points, suggesting strong performance. Regarding the processor, the S25 Ultra is equipped with an octa-core Qualcomm chip featuring an ARM v8 instruction set, which is different from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's architecture that's rumored to use the ARM version 9.2a instruction set. The tested processor has a base clock speed of 2.9 GHz and a maximum clock speed reaching 4.19 GHz, which is slightly lower than the anticipated 4.37 GHz peak of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4. The device tested comes with 12 gigs of RAM and runs on Android 15. It's worth noting that Samsung hasn't yet introduced its One UI version based on Android 15 to the public yet. In terms of cameras, rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra might feature a 200-megapixel HP2 main sensor, offering a minor upgrade from the S24 Ultra's 200-megapixel version. It may also include a 50-megapixel ISOCELL JN3 ultra-wide camera, an enhancement over the previous 12-megapixel sensor, alongside a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens and an improved 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera. The 3C certification hints that the S25 Ultra will retain the 45-watt charging speed of its predecessor, but the charging adapter will be sold separately. It's quite disappointing that a device priced at over $1,000, or roughly 1.5 lakh rupees, doesn't even include a charger in the box. It's frustrating to see how Samsung and Apple seem to mimic each other's decisions, especially when it comes to the less favorable ones. Removing essential items like a charger from the packaging feels like an unnecessary cost-cutting measure, especially when it's something you absolutely need to operate the device. What are your thoughts on this trend? Are you satisfied with companies taking away everything, like even a charger from the box? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments below. Additionally, it appears the battery capacity will remain at 5,000 milliamperes. According to leaks, the S25 Ultra is expected to have a slightly flatter and lighter design compared to the S24 Ultra. The display is anticipated to be a 6.86-inch dynamic AMOLED, but Samsung might market it as 6.9 inches, similar to how Apple labeled its iPhone 16 Pro Max. I strongly think Samsung should skip the 2025 launch just like Nothing did for its Nothing Phone 3. I mean, look at Apple. They launched the iPhone 15 series with just a few adjustments which weren't that impressive. Samsung's S25 Ultra also doesn't seem to be offering anything truly groundbreaking. Launching new phones every year without significant improvements can feel unnecessary, especially considering the high price tags these devices carry. Furthermore, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to come equipped with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset globally, according to recent reports. This means that the Galaxy S25, Galaxy S25 Plus, and Galaxy S25 Ultra will all be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, moving away from the Exynos 2500 for all regions. This marks a shift in Samsung's strategy, as they often use different chipsets depending on the market. It will be interesting to see how this global approach enhances the performance and user experience across the entire S25 lineup. What are your opinions on this? Are you interested in buying what seems like an S24 Ultra rebranded as the S25 Ultra? Share your thoughts in the comments below. For a complete look at the S25 series, click the I section button. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more early tech updates. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.